Susie Lind. I lead BlueFloat Energy's activities in the UK, identifying, securing and developing floating offshore wind projects together with our partner Renantis. I'm also an elected Director of Scottish Renewables, the trade association for renewables in Scotland, with a vision to be Scotland leading the world in renewables. I've worked delivering energy projects for 15 years across many technologies: onshore wind, offshore wind, battery, solar and nuclear. But my heart lies in offshore wind, so I'm delighted to be delivering floating offshore wind that maximises the benefit for stakeholders and communities. My role is to bring the best team together to match the technical capability with the passion to deliver our floating projects. So we're aggregating skills across many parts of industry and making sure that we leverage this across all of our projects to bring the very best so that our projects can really stand out in a very competitive market. The ScotWind process has created a fantastic opportunity for Scotland to lead the world in deployment of commercial scale floating offshore wind. We're really proud of the progress we've made so far on our 3 projects, and we're now focusing on making sure our scoping report, which will help us secure our planning consent, is delivered successfully. To do that, we're going to focus on 3 things. The first being understanding our ground conditions and our wind resource a bit better. So we're doing significant survey work in that area. We also are making sure that we have early engagement with the supply chain to really understand the capabilities and the gaps that exist there, and of course engaging with communities to understand what matters to them. And thirdly, understanding a bit more about our grid connection and how that's going to be refined through a process currently ongoing in Scotland. Our biggest challenge will be in competition. We'll be competing for the same ports, vessels, the same supply chain as many others. So it'll be very important to understand what our needs are, differentiate ourselves, and then support building of a supply chain and the skill set to make sure that we can compete at a global level. The clock is ticking. There's really no time to waste. We've been offered 2 projects, Sinclair and Scarabin, both 99 megawatts. The INTOG process has created a fantastic opportunity to test out emerging technology and community benefit options that could be very useful learnings for our next stage, our Broadshaw project, leveraging synergies from these smaller scale projects to maximise the benefit for Scotland. These so-called stepping stone projects will be really impactful in terms of generating and stimulating the local supply chain and the skills required to deliver. It's hugely exciting to see the developments in the sector, from materials, ways of doing things, approaches to technology, and we can't wait to see what else we are able to secure through innovation in INTOG. As we continue to explore what's possible, we really believe our Sinclair and Scarabin projects have the opportunity to push boundaries in innovation and technology. The UK is a really important market because it offers a really strong and stable environment on which to deliver floating offshore wind. We've benefited from a legacy of renewables, and this is a great moment to move into floating and see what's possible. There's also a terrific opportunity to leverage the existing skills and knowledge in fixed foundation wind and make sure that that's maximised together with the insight from oil and gas to make sure we can deliver on the ambition for floating wind, the 5 gigawatts. We're really excited about the opportunity for the UK. We currently have 15% of the floating offshore wind deployment rights, and we can't wait to use our expertise and local knowledge to make sure that we can deliver really lasting benefits for the whole of the UK.